Welcome to Decor Designs, your go-to source for all things home improvement and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're talking about something that can dramatically transform your home's curb appeal, privacy and security. The often overlooked but incredibly important front yard gate and fence. So, what exactly do we mean when we talk about a front yard gate and fence? Simply put, it's the barrier and entry point that defines the boundary of your property at the front. It's more than just a physical division. It's the first impression your home makes, a subtle invitation and a strong statement about your personal style and priorities. From charming picket fences with quaint gates to grand, imposing iron structures, these elements play a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and functionality of your property. They can be a continuous fence line with a matching gate, or a standalone gate that acts as a decorative entrance to an open front yard. Now, why should you consider investing in a front yard gate and fence? The benefits are numerous and impactful. Firstly, enhanced curb appeal. A well-designed gate and fence can significantly boost the visual appeal of your home, adding character, charm, and a sense of completeness to your landscape. It frames your house beautifully, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Secondly, increased privacy. Whether you want to enjoy your front porch without prying eyes or simply create a more secluded outdoor space, a fence provides that much-needed barrier, allowing you to relax and unwind in peace. Thirdly, improved security. A sturdy gate and fence act as a deterrent to unwanted visitors and can help keep pets and children safely contained within your property, offering you greater peace of mind. Lastly, a front yard gate and fence can actually add to your home's property value. It's an investment that not only enhances your lifestyle but also makes your home more attractive to potential buyers down the line. So, you've decided on a gate and fence. But how do you make it look good, really good? Decorating your front yard gate and fence is where your personality can truly shine. Start with landscaping around the base. Planting colorful flowers, climbing vines like wisteria or clematis, or even small shrubs can soften the lines of the fence and integrate it beautifully into your garden. Consider adding lighting elements such as solar-powered post caps, string lights along the fence line, or elegant lanterns flanking the gate. These not only look inviting but also improve nighttime visibility and security. Decorative hardware like ornate hinges, latches, or custom house numbers can add a touch of sophistication. Don't forget seasonal decorations, wreaths for holidays, seasonal garlands, or even festive banners can keep your gate looking fresh and exciting throughout the year. You can also hang planters or window boxes directly onto the fence for an extra pop of greenery and color, or even a charming welcome sign. When it comes to materials for your front yard gate and fence, you have a fantastic range of options, each with its own unique advantages and aesthetic. Wood is a timeless classic, offering natural beauty and versatility. It can be painted, stained, or left natural to weather gracefully. However, it does require regular maintenance to prevent rot and insect damage. Metal, particularly wrought iron, offers exceptional strength, security, and an elegant, sophisticated look. It's incredibly durable and requires minimal maintenance, though it can be more expensive. Vinyl is a popular choice for its low maintenance, durability, and resistance to rot, rust, and pests. It comes in various styles and colors and often mimics the look of wood, but it can sometimes lack the natural charm. Lastly, composite materials offer the best of both worlds, blending wood fibers with plastic to create a durable, low-maintenance option that resembles wood but is more resistant to the elements. The best material for you will depend on your budget, desired aesthetic, and willingness to maintain it. Now let's talk about costs specifically for the most affordable options. While prices can vary significantly based on location, material, and installation complexity, if you're looking for the most budget-friendly front yard gate and fence, You'll generally be looking at options like basic wood picket fences or simple treated pine fences. For a standard 4-foot tall picket fence, you might expect to pay anywhere from $10 to $25 per linear foot for materials alone, making a small 20-foot fence section and gate potentially in the range of $200 to $500 for materials. If you opt for chain link fencing, which offers security but less aesthetic appeal, the cost can be even lower, often around $7 to $15 per linear foot. Keep in mind that these are material costs, and professional installation can add significantly to the overall price. However, for those handy DIYers, these materials offer an excellent opportunity to save money by installing it yourself. Always get multiple quotes and consider the long-term maintenance costs when making your decision. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to front yard gates and fences. From understanding their meaning and appreciating their benefits to decorating them beautifully, choosing the right materials, and even finding affordable options, you now have the knowledge to create a stunning entrance to your home. So, what kind of front yard gate and fence do you dream of? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips and inspiration to make your home beautiful inside and out. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.